Welcome back, grade 4. This is lesson 12.6, metric units of length. In your book, page 675, you will find this table of metric units for length. You have, let's read it together, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So, of course, 1 centimeter greater than 1 millimeter. Okay, why? Because one of the unit centimeter equals 10 from the unit which is millimeter. Okay, the same for all of the units here on the left. Okay, like 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeters, 1 meter equals 10 decimeters, or 100 centimeters, or 1000 millimeters. So you can memorize it. If you cannot memorize these numbers, you can use this table directly to solve your problems. This in this year only. Okay. So now let's complete. We have number 1. 2 meters equals how many centimeters in 2 meters? Going back again here to our table. Let's see. How many centimeters in 1 meter only? Yes, we are searching for meter, centimeter, units. Okay, here. So I have in 1 meter, I have 100 centimeters. What about 2 meters? From big to small, we will multiply. So I multiply 2 times 100, which is, yes, 200. Okay, in number 3, we have 2 centimeters equal how many millimeters? How many millimeters in 3 centimeters? Let's go here. Millimeters, yes. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So what about 3? We will multiply 3 times 10. Yes, it's 30. Okay, number 3, we have 5 decimeters equals how many centimeters and 5 decimeters? Going back here, searching for decimeter and centimeters. Here, this one. So 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeters. So we will multiply 5 times 10 to be, yes, 50. That's too easy, I think. Now, let's compare using less than, greater than, or equal to. And as we did before, with the customary units, we will do here the same technique. Okay, so I have here 4 meters and 40 decimeters. We want to know which is greater or which is less, or if they are equal or not. So meter greater than decimeter. Let's go back here to see 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. What about 4 meters? 4 times 10 will be 40. So 4 meters equals to 40 decimeters. It means they are, yes, equal to each other. Let's see number 5. 5 centimeters and 5 millimeters. 5 centimeters, 5 millimeters. How many millimeters in 1 centimeter? I have 10, so let's multiply 5 times 10 will be 50. This will be 50 here. So I have here in this side will be 50 millimeters and 5, so of course 50 greater. Okay, number 6, I have 6 decimeters, 65 centimeters. 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeters, so 6 times 10 will be 60 only. Okay, I have in the other side here 65, so this one will be greater. Okay, what about number 7? 7 meters and 700 millimeters. 1 meter equals to, wow, 1000 millimeters. Okay, so 7 times 1000 will be 7000 millimeters. So, of course, this one will be greater. Why? Because this is 7000. Okay. Okay. And here we will describe the length in meters. We will write our answer as fraction and as decimal. Let's go back again to fractions and decimals. So number 8, I have 65 centimeters equals what or what? Here we will write the fraction form or the decimal form, but using meter unit. Okay. First, we convert from big to small. We said we have to multiply. From big to small, we will multiply. When we multiply, we will get more. Okay, so big will give the small. Okay, so we will multiply. Now I have centimeter to meter. Centimeter less than or smaller than meter. In this case, we will do the inverse. We will divide instead of multiplying. So I have a rule. In case of converting 2 units, in case of converting from big to small, I'll multiply. In case of converting from small to big, I'll divide. Divide by what? Multiply by what? According to these numbers in the conversation table here. Okay, and we said you don't need to memorize all of these numbers. If you can memorize it, it will be better, inshallah. Okay, so 65 divided, I write here 65. Okay, divided by 100. Okay, this is what? The fraction form. How can we write this fraction as decimal grade 4? We took it in chapter 9. Yes, we will write first our numerator, 65. Okay, where I'll put my decimal point? I have 2 zeros, and this is division, so I'll move to left 2 places, 1, 2, then I'll place my decimal point. Okay. And there is no whole number, that's why I put 0. So it's 6500 meter. Okay. Let's do the same here. I have 47 centimeters equals, and the other, we have to convert centimeter to meter. So I write 47 from small to big. We will divide. I'll divide by the same conversation number here. It's 100 because I have 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Okay, this is the fraction form. Let's write it. And the decimal form, I write the numerator. It's 47. Where I'll put my decimal point. 2 zeros go, and we have here divergence, so I'll move to the left. How many places? 2. 1, 2. Put your decimal point, and there is no whole number, so I put 0. How can I read it? It's 4700. Number 10. I have 9 decimeters. I want to convert decimeter to meter. Go back again. Decimeter to meter. Okay. 1 meter equals 10 decimeters, grade 4. So I want to convert here. Decimeter equals how many meter? So I'll divide by 10 this time. So I have 9. It's divided by 10. This is the fraction form. Okay, let's write the decimal form. I write the numerator, which is 9. How many zeros here? Yes, 1. So I'll put my decimal point after one place. 1, then I place my decimal point, and there is no whole number. That's why I put 0 here. Let's read it together. It's 9/10. 9/10. Okay. Number 11. 2 decimeters equals, again, decimeter to meter, from small to big. The conversion number here is still 10. It's 10. So we will divide 2 divided by 2 divided by 10. This is the fraction form. Let's write the decimal form. I write the 2. This is my numerator. 1 0 here. 1 place to the left. 1 place your decimal point and put the 0 here. Okay. This is our lesson today. Okay, try to study it again and watch the video more and more. And take care. And you have something new in this lesson. In case of converting from small unit to big one, we have to divide. When we convert from big unit to small, we will multiply. From small to big, we will divide. Okay, your homework will be page 677. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.